Hey, how's it going? Silas Haig here. In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can create a professional looking email signature for free, quickly and easily in like less than 5 minutes. And you can use this for any email account and add in a picture of you or your logo as well. It makes your emails look a lot more professional, and you can also add in links to your website or social media so people can, when they see your email signature, they can just click on one of the links there and go straight to find out a bit more information about you.
So let's get straight into it. So first things first, you want to go to a site called mysignature.io, and then you'll see here some examples of some email signatures. This is what they can look like. So at the bottom of your email, which makes things look a lot more professional. And you can have some links to your website and things like that. So just simply go to create signature. And then you can mess around with the templates here, what you want it to look like. Let's get an image up first. So either upload, I think I've got my logo as my image here because I also on Gmail, it comes up with a little picture as well. So I have that as my logo, but you can also do a photo of you. So we'll do a picture for now. So you can just click and drag it or just upload it. So this is the one I made earlier on the other video. And just click save once you've resized it. There we are. Name, just Jim. What we call that, proofreading. Owner. I'm just filling this in with random stuff just so you can see how it looks like. There we go, I already filled it in when I was around. And my proofreading, Skype, Jim, blah, address. Oh, there we go, 1234 Jim Lane, when I was messing around with it earlier. Nice place, I've heard. So that's pretty much it, just fill in all your information. There's a few things, like some things are unlocked you have to pay for, but again, for our purposes, it's got everything you need. You can mess around with the size of the image. You can also have some links to your social profiles. You get the idea, and it'll come up there with your link as well, so someone can actually click that. Same for Twitter. I think, yeah, LinkedIn looks like it's before. I wonder if it's, yeah, they just don't let you have LinkedIn. But you can get some of them anyway. They're not even necessary, to be honest. I don't think I have them. And then you can mess around a bit more with the design, font size, and just, yeah, everything like that. Change this to match your branding a bit more. And there you go. And you can have a look there, and then you click Save Signature. And it'll pop up there, and it actually shows you how to install it for each of the email providers there. So you just click that and it'll show you. It does say, it says copy to clipboard. I think it actually also copies that link there, which you don't really want. So rather than that, you can just, if you can highlight it, right? If you just highlight everything you want, and then you can copy that.
So as I said, just copy that email signature that you've just created and put it into your email software, and you'll be pretty much ready to go. The email software that I use is ConvertKit, and it's just the best when it comes to sending out emails to your email list, automating everything with email marketing and getting people to subscribe to you and everything like that. It has lots of great stuff. It's just really intuitive and easy to use. So definitely check it out. I'll leave a link down below. And otherwise, I hope it helped you to create a professional email signature. So let me know in the comments what else you'd like to learn, and I'll see you next time.